Here we are back again with an old-fashioned Saturday. As you can see, I've added another paragraph, and our focus today is going to be on vocabulary. So I'm going to read the story to you again, and you'll have some questions about the vocabulary, some of those words that are harder to understand in the Google form. I hear a whistle and then a whinny. Prancer is off. I nearly fall off the edge of the sled. I grab the tank for balance. The sap sloshes around as we bump over rocks and glide around muddy corners. The sled slows, and I jump off. I trudge through ankle-deep snow. I'll be soaked to the skin, but what can Ma say? She's the one who wanted me to go outside. I didn't want to come to the woods at first. Now I think it's fun.